Good morning, kids. A balanced diet keeps your body healthy. Remember the story about Reggie's shrinking clothes? Yes, that is what we learnt in the story, that we should have control over our senses. We should eat healthy so that we can stay fit. Not like Reggie eating cheese all the time, and what happened? He became fat and none of his clothes were fitting him. So children, we should eat balanced diet, we should eat healthy diet so that we remain fit mentally and physically. So today we are going to do the activities of this lesson. So let's start with words to know. Chubbier, a little fat. Platter, a large plate. Platter is a big plate wherein you can put multiple things in it. Cereals, a breakfast food made from grains. Shrunk, became small in size. So Reggie's clothes were, what happened? The shirt was shrinking, it was becoming small, and Reggie was becoming fat. Sobbed, cried noisily, loudly crying. Innocence, not knowing about anything. Delighted, very happy. Now be mindful. Now today we are going to see mindful eating. Do you pay attention to the food that you eat? Notice the color, smell and taste of the food before eating. Say a silent prayer in your mind and thank God for the lovely meal. Listen to your body while eating and stop when you are full. Always eat when your body tells you to eat. For example, when your stomach is growling or when your energy is low. Eat food that is nutritious and healthy. When you are eating, focus on the eating and not on any other thing. Remember to think about where the food comes from. Yes, children, so whenever you eat, first say a prayer. Thank God for the food that you are getting, right? And then chew your food very nicely and look at the food, taste the food and then eat. Okay? Try eating all the nutritious food like the vegetables, the cereals, the dal, chapati, everything, salad, and try avoiding the junk food like your pizzas and burgers and chips and cold drinks. Okay? So when you eat healthy food, you stay healthy mentally and physically both. Now let's do the question and answers. What did Reggie Mouse love to eat and how do you know? So Reggie Mouse loved to eat cheese all the time, and we know about this because his clothes were not fitting him because he was eating cheese all the time and he was getting fat. What kind of food did Rita Mouse give Reggie? So Rita Mouse gave him a platter full of fruits, cereals and healthy food. What happened when Reggie Mouse was getting ready to go to a friend's party? So remember, when he got up one morning and he was getting ready for his friend's party, his shirt started ripping off and his pants started popping. Yeah, so he was not fitting in his old clothes. Why did Reggie started crying? Reggie started crying because he was getting fat and none of his clothes were fitting him. So what he will wear for the party? What did Rita Mouse advise to Reggie? So Rita Mouse said that you should eat nutritious and healthy food. Go for a walk daily and play around so that you don't get fat and you remain thin and active all day. Right? So I hope you have taken a lesson from this. No junk food. All nutrition food you have to eat, children, and you have to play, study and stay fit. Now match the column A and B to complete the sentence. Rita Mouse scolded Reggie. Why scolded Reggie? For eating cheese all the time. Reggie panicked, seeing all his clothes shrunk. Reggie's clothes couldn't fit him again if he listened to his mother. Reggie's clothes could fit him again if he had listened to his mother. Fruit, cereals and salads are healthy foods. Eating healthy food made Reggie fit in his clothes again. Now choose the correct option to match the given description of the word. Chubby. So Reggie was getting chubby, right? Eating too much. Healthy. So what keeps you healthy? Vegetables keeps you healthy, cereal keeps you healthy, exercising keeps you healthy. Shrinking. Shrinking, clothes. Unhealthy. What is unhealthy? Eating cheese for meal is unhealthy. Eating too much is unhealthy. Okay. Now read the text below and write your thoughts on being lazy and being active. Yes, children. So I'll read one line. Think what comes in your mind and write it in the blocks. Lazy cat drank less water and ate a lot. Active mouse ate less and drank a lot of water. Lazy cat always slept on the mat. Active mouse always jumped in and out of the hat. Lazy cat grew fat and fat. Active mouse stayed fit and in the hat. Yes, so now if we are lazy, we become dull, we sleep all day, we eat a lot and we become fat. And when we are active, what we do? We remain slim and very active. We keep running here and there and we eat less and we drink a lot of water. So you should always drink a lot of water, children. It is very good to keep your body hydrated. Okay. Now we have Tony and Tutu. Mother has gone out. Come, let's watch some cartoon. I think you should switch off the TV and study for the test. I can't. I really have to watch this cartoon. Do you control the remote or the remote controls you? So now the monkey is saying, I need to watch this cartoon anyhow. And the bird is saying, I think you should study because you have a test. So the mouse is saying, no, that I will do it later, I will study later, let me watch the cartoon. So the bird is saying, who controls the remote, you or the TV? So at the time of study, you should study, children. You should not watch a lot of TV. Okay. Now subject connect. A balanced meal contains all nutrients like vitamin, proteins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats and fibers in right quantity. A balanced diet helps us to grow stronger, repair the injury part of our body and stay healthy. Not so healthy foods like sweet, juice and fried food contains lot of sugar and fat. We need them also, but in a very small quantity to get energy to walk, play and do other work. Water is an essential part of balanced meal. We must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Yes, children, you should always have a balanced diet. So I am not saying that don't eat sweets or don't eat your juice or your fried items. Eat them, but in less quantity. You should concentrate more on the balanced diet. Okay, that should have vitamins, proteins, cereals. Okay, and you should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Right? Do that. Okay. Now value for life. You want to take something delicious for your picnic, school picnic. Your mother insisted on giving you something healthy and nutrition to take along. Name and describe the dish that you would like to take, and it is delicious, healthy and nutritious and your friends would like it. Yes. So now think of one dish that you would like to take on your picnic, but it should be healthy, nutritious, delicious and your friends should like it. So think about the dish and write it in the blank. Now be wise. It is important to have control over our senses. An ice cream looks very tempting, but we have to control our tongue to avoid ice cream when we have cold. Similarly, when we are studying, the noise of children playing outside can tempt us, but we should keep them away from our books. We have to control our mind and finish our work before we go out and play. This way, we will not only be able to finish our work on time, but also have enough time to play and have fun. Yes, children. So we should control our senses, right? So if you are studying, you should only concentrate on your study. आपके आसपास क्या हो रहा है, कौन बच्चा खेल रहा है, मम्मी क्या कर रही है, that should not bother you. Finish your studies and then go out for playing. If you have cold, if you have cough, avoid eating ice cream, drinking fridge water, no cold water. Okay. Now I have a very nice activity for you. Write things. Color the picture showing things that are good for Reggie Mouse. Now you need to color those pictures. Color it whatever color you want. The first picture says that Reggie is eating fruits. The second says that he is playing football. The third says that he is drinking some cola or fizz. And the fourth says that he is doing exercise. Fifth says that he is just relaxing and watching TV. And sixth says that he is eating a burger. Now color the picture which you think is good for Reggie Mouse. Okay, do this whenever you have time, children. And with this we have come to the end of this chapter. I know that you have learnt a good lesson of keeping yourself healthy and eating healthy. I hope you follow this, children, and keep yourself fit and fine. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye, stay fit.